Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable JavaScript in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Site Settings option under Privacy and Security section. Under Content section, click on this one JavaScript option. Here you will see by default sites can use JavaScript. This option allows JavaScript on your Opera browser, and in case you want to disable JavaScript in Opera browser, second this one next option, don't allow sites to use JavaScript